the same habitat.
From the sky to the nether in all kinds of weather,
We all share the earth. That's a fact. You know, we all share the air with the bison and the bear.
We all need to breathe.
Naturally,
We all share the lair of the monkey and the mare. We all need a place, don't you see?
We all share the rain with the mallard and the crane.
we all need a shower.
Certainly. We all share the plain with the lion and his mane.
We all need to be strong and free. Like birds of a feather, we all live together. We all share the same
Habitat from the hills to the heather.
in all kinds of weather.
We all share the earth. That's a fact.
Like birds of a feather, we all live together. We all share the same habitat. From the sky to the nether in all kinds of weather, we all share the earth. That's a fact.
We all share the trees with the beetles and the bees. We need to learn to live neighborly.
We all share the seas with the fish, if you please. We need the ocean as blue as can be.
We all share the skies with the birds and butterflies.
We need to nurture them carefully.
We all share the sunrise, so it comes as no surprise. We need to learn to live in harmony. In harmony.
Like birds of a feather, we all live together. We all share the same
Habitat through the pain and the pleasure.
through all kinds of weather.
We all share the earth. That's a fact. That's a fact. From the sky to the nether in all kinds of weather, we all share the earth. That's a fact.
That's a fact?